Most people believe the secret to wealth is simply saving money. But that's a dangerous lie. Saving alone doesn't make you rich, it slowly destroys your purchasing power. The truth, rich people don't just save, they invest. They think about money as a machine that works for them 24/7, growing quietly in the background while they live their lives. Today, I'll explain exactly how the wealthy invest their money, how they protect it, and most importantly, what you can start doing today, even if you don't have much to begin with. This isn't just theory, these are proven strategies used by the richest people on the planet. Let's dive in. Most people think saving money is the safest way to build wealth. They put their earnings into a savings account, hoping it will grow. But here's the problem, inflation almost always outpaces the interest you earn. This means your saved money loses value over time. So, while your balance might look bigger, the actual buying power shrinks. This is why relying solely on saving is a trap. Your money is essentially shrinking in slow motion. The wealthy know this. Instead of letting their money sit idle, they put it to work, making it generate more money. Rich people think differently about money. They don't see it as something to hoard but as a tool to build more wealth. This money machine mindset means they focus on assets that create income on their own, assets that keep working without the constant attention. Think of money as seeds that grow into trees, which then bear fruit year after year. The wealthy build systems and portfolios that generate steady cash flow. This could be rental income, dividends from stocks, or profits from businesses. This mindset is the foundation of financial freedom. It's about making your money work for you, not the other way around. Now, where do rich people put their money? They invest in places that balance growth and security. Here are some common categories. Real estate, buying properties that produce rental income or increase in value over time. This could be residential homes, commercial buildings, or land. Stocks, investing in solid companies that pay dividends and have a track record of steady growth. Bonds and fixed income, these are safer investments that provide consistent, though smaller, returns. Private businesses, many wealthy people invest directly in startups or private companies, gaining ownership and a share of profits. Alternative assets, gold, art, collectibles, and commodities can help diversify and protect wealth during economic downturns. But simply putting money into these assets isn't enough. Protecting those investments is just as important. Smart investing means smart protection. Wealthy people use legal structures like trusts or companies to shield their assets from high taxes and legal risks. They also diversify their investments across different industries and countries to avoid putting all their eggs in one basket. Insurance plays a key role, too. Health insurance, property insurance, and liability insurance help guard against unexpected financial hits. Most importantly, they manage risk carefully. They don't avoid risk entirely, but they understand and control it. This is how they protect and preserve their money over time. You don't need millions to start thinking and acting like the wealthy. First, educate yourself. Learn about personal finance and investing. Start small. Use apps that let you invest tiny amounts in stocks or ETFs. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Look for ways to increase your income, like side gigs or freelancing. Focus on buying assets, things that can make money or increase in value. Automate your investments, so a portion of your income goes into investments every month without you thinking about it. The key is consistency and patience. Wealth grows slowly but surely when you give your money the chance to work. At the end of the day, wealth is about more than just money, it's about legacy. The rich understand that real wealth lasts generations because it's built carefully, protected wisely, and passed down intentionally. Legacy doesn't happen by chance, it's created by the choices you make today. Start thinking like the wealthy, make your money work for you, protect it, and watch your legacy grow. Thank you for listening. Welcome to the Legacy Lessons.